today as we take a look at this absolutely stunning chateau in Loire Valley, France. This beautiful home is listed at $2,067,000 or €1,950,000. It has 12 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, and is 7,534 square feet and sits on 47 acres. And you even have your own beautiful pond. Look at how homey this castle looks. It looks like a place you just want to stay and relax. It feels very homey to me. Let me know what you think. Is this more your style? Do you like the more flamboyant type of chateau, or do you like more of like a country estate? You have enjoyed viewing this absolutely beautiful chateau as much as I have. All of the information, the listing is all in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching.